हेलो बच्चों, तो आज हम इस वीडियो में सीखेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट्स A to Z with picture. So let's start the video. A for ambulance. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. B for bear. C for cake. C for car. D for dinosaur. D for duck. E for elephant. E for egg. F for frog. F for flower. G for goat. G for grapes. H for home. H for head. I for igloo. I for ice cream. J for jacket. J for jackal. K for kid. K for kangaroo. L for lotus. L for lamp. M for mountain. M for mouth. N for necklace. N for nurse. O for ox. O for octopus. P for panda. P for penguin. Q for kite. Q for quail. R for rocket. R for robot. S for ship. S for snack. T for turtle. T for tree. U for uniform. U for unicorn. V for volcano. V for vegetables. W for window. W for well. X for X-ray. X for Xerox machine. Y for yoga. Y for yogurt. Z for zoo. Z for zero. Thank you, and please like and subscribe to my channel.